If you want to set up your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Plus as a portable mobile hotspot, in this video we're going to show you how you can configure and turn it on. For that, go to Settings, to Connections, scroll down and enter Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. First of all, turn it on and also tap on Mobile Hotspot, and from these settings, you can turn it on and off from here. Now there are some settings you might want to customize. First of all, you can change the auto-generated network name and password. After that, scroll down, select the band between 2.4 and 5 GHz. 2.4 is most compatible, although 5 GHz might not be compatible with a lot of devices. So choose the band according to your own preference. After that, you can keep the security as default or choose whatever security you want. Like the first two open network options will let anyone join your hotspot without password. The last three options are more secure, although WPA3 Personal is not compatible with a lot of devices. So choose whatever you want right from here. Go to Advanced, scroll down. You can schedule turning off your device after inactivity, or you can choose Never Timeout. I'm keeping the default one. You can choose hidden networks so your device name will not be shown on any other device's Wi-Fi network list. For this video, I'm going to turn it off. Rest of these settings have their own pros and cons. You can just turn it on or keep it off according to your preference. And after customizing, don't forget to save it. As Mobile Hotspot needs disabling the Wi-Fi, you can just turn it off from here. Auto Hotspot will let you share Wi-Fi with any other devices that sign in with your same Samsung account. And last but not the least, you can turn this option on if the hotspot will be used mostly for games or video calls. Now your mobile hotspot is customized and enabled. From this control panel, anytime you can turn your mobile hotspot off and on. But to use it, make sure you'll have to turn on mobile data. Whenever you want to use your S24 as a hotspot, open Wi-Fi on other device, find out the name, tap on it, enter the password that you just set, and then just go ahead, tap on join. And that device can use your S24 Series Phone as mobile hotspot. So that's how you can activate, set, and use your S24 Series Phone as a mobile hotspot. Thank you for watching.